how to knit the garter stitch. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you the garter stitch knitting pattern. The garter stitch is the easiest knitting pattern for beginners. It has a simple one stitch repeat, it's reversible, and it doesn't matter how many stitches you cast on. Let's knit it together. Cast on any number of stitches with a longtail cast on. Then turn your work around. Keep the yarn in the back. And then knit the first stitch. So insert your needle from left to right, wrap the yarn around counterclockwise, pull through and drop the stitch. And knit every single stitch of that first round. Garter stitch means that you knit every single stitch across all rows. So when you come to the end of that first row, you turn the work around, then you bring the yarn to the back again, and then you continue knitting every single stitch. Like I said, garter stitch is knitting across all stitches and rows. So once you finish that second row, you turn your work around again, bring the yarn to the back again, and continue knitting. And now you probably see why so many beginners favor the garter stitch. It's super simple to remember and it creates a very lovely stretchy and structured fabric that's perfect for coasters, dishcloths, scarves, and all these easy beginner projects. Anyway, that's how to knit the garter stitch. Please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, comment with your questions, and of course consider subscribing to my channel in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting!